Valentine's Day is all about showing love, and what better way to surprise her than with the perfect tech gift? From stylish wearables to smart beauty gadgets, here are 5 must-have luxury tech gifts that blend innovation, style, and functionality. Huawei FreeBuds Lipstick. 2. These stunning earbuds are designed like a luxury lipstick case, making them the ultimate fusion of fashion and tech. With high-quality sound, active noise cancellation, and a compact design, they fit perfectly in any purse. A stylish must-have for music lovers. Dyson's Supersonic Neural. More than just a hairdryer, this premium beauty gadget protects scalp health with intelligent sensors that adjust airflow and temperature. Plus, the strawberry bronze and blush pink color makes it a statement piece in any beauty routine. Instax Mini 12. Gift Box. Instant memories, instant fun. This retro-style camera snaps and prints photos instantly, making it a perfect companion for date nights, vacations, and celebrations. Capture unforgettable moments with a touch of nostalgia. Smartwatches for every style. Whether she's an iPhone lover or an Android user, the Apple Watch Series 10 and Galaxy Watch 7 are the ultimate smart accessories. With fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and customizable watch faces, they combine fashion with everyday functionality. Oura Ring Gen 4. A discreet yet powerful health tracker that monitors sleep, heart rate, and daily activity. Designed to be sleek and stylish, it blends seamlessly with any jewelry collection while offering insightful wellness data. Make this Valentine's Day unforgettable with a gift that's both thoughtful and high-tech. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments.